2021, apart from that COVID, what we had facing all over the world, of course, we got a good time to spend with the families if we are thinking in a positive way.
It was slightly better than 2020 that I'm from Dubai. So over there, 2020 was very bit depressing kind of thing, but 2021 is still better.
This is very boring and disgusting year for me.
The year was very fast. It started off nicely, but then it was boring and mundane. And the last month was nice because I came here and I lived with my sister, and it was different from the rest of the year.
Okay, not bad. Not the best of years. Better than the previous year.
It was quite bad because they were locked down in the beginning and I've lost too many near ones.
As of now, I didn't plan anything. If I want to plan in a crazy way, I'll just go out on the road with my wife.
With the family only. It's like we're gonna be celebrating at home itself, not going out or anywhere.
I'll just go back to my family in Assam. I'll just spend my New Year's Eve with them.
Nothing going to be at home. I may have a house guest, but apart from that, I don't expect too many people to join in. Maybe one or two close friends, but that's about it.
Plans is to just do a house party with family.
Planning to go somewhere in Goa and all.
There's no party scene right now, so I'll peacefully sit at home and enjoy party with a couple of drinks. Very safe.
I'm from Bangalore, so I'll just follow the restrictions being provided by the government.
We had tons of restrictions in Singapore. We could hardly meet anyone. So I'm so happy to be here, to be able to meet everyone.
In Goa, there is no restriction for like this. Last time I just, because of this situation, I just went Alibag.
And they must help the government do whatever is required. We must work together, yes.
I think whatever government protocols have been put into place by the government are for the benefit of the public itself. The sooner we get out of this is going to be better for the economy and also for the people as a whole.
I know this COVID will become a way of life. It will never get over. But we have to live with this. But we have to take precautions. We have to be careful.
Actually, people should obey the rules because it's meant for their safety.
I just want it to be a very peaceful year, and I just don't want to live with restrictions anymore next year. I have a small child. I want her to be able to go to school and enjoy with her friends as well.
I was hoping 2022 will be better because I got a notice that my college might reopen. But seeing the cases of Omicron, I think it will be the same as 2021.
I want everything to go back to normal, pre-2020, how it was. And the economy should go up, and people who are struggling a lot right now because of basically lower middle class people, they should get their jobs back and their daily wages back.
It should be like more peaceful, more happy like it used to be before the lockdown.
I wish everyone a very happy and successful 2022, and I hope everyone has a very healthy year next year and we don't face the troubles we faced this year.
Happy New Year to you all.
Wishing everybody out there a very happy, safe, prosperous and lovely 2022.
Happy New Year.
Very happy New Year to everyone.
Happy New Year to everyone who's watching Midday, and do like, share and subscribe Midday.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.